In today's video, I wanted to show the awesome visual effect program for Final Cut Pro called MO2 by MO2 VFX. So in order to use MO2, you currently have to have the Final Cut Pro Rosetta command. Currently have Final Cut 10.6.5. I believe this was the last update before MO2 no longer worked on Final Cut. So if you go over to Titles, scroll down to MO2. Here's the plugin. Over here, you have all your settings. So if you come over here, click on Add, click on Model. It comes with a lot of models that you can already use. Very similar to like Element 3D for After Effects. Let's go ahead and click on a cube. You can use these settings to then look around, zoom in, zoom out, and move the screen around. You come over to scene settings, you go on environment. You can actually change the environment. Go ahead and click on a tree garden, and you can see it already impacted the lighting. You got the background. So let's grab a picture of a park. So you can put the video clip or picture in the background, and then you're able to build your scene through here. You also change it to the environment that you have in the background. You can go ahead and add other things like lights and cameras. Once you have the light selected, you can then go into the settings and change lights through here. So let's say add a yellow light. Let's go to sphere. Now have it reflecting off of the cube that you already put there. And then you can turn up and down the intensity. You can move the light up and down. So you got these pre-made scenes that they already made, and you can actually just drag it into your timeline and go edit it. So they can scroll through the timeline and see the video. And then over here you have all of the stuff that they have added. So you can click on the custom text. So you can go over here and actually change the text. So let's go ahead and type test. It now updated it to test, and it all blends in with the video. So now you can add your logo there. You're also able to go in and just really break down everything that they did to create these projects. And that's it for this video, just a quick breakdown of MO2. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching.